Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best pruning shears that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Fiskars Gardening Tools. Bypass Pruning Shears. The Fiskars Bypass Pruner. These pruners sharply trim green stems and branches up to inch in diameter. The Fiskars gardening shears feature a precision ground steel cutting blade that stays super sharp even with frequent use, and it comes with a low friction coating to cut through stems easily and resist gumming up the blade with sap and debris. The shears come with a padded non-slip grip for comfort and feature a locking mechanism to keep the blades closed when not in use. Right out of the box, our first impression was that the Fiskars steel bypass pruners looked and felt less impressive. Then we used them. They worked great for green wood and fairly well for dry wood cuts up to their inch-listed threshold. The thin profile made them less comfortable, especially for hardwood cuts, and the slide lock felt flimsy. We still doubt their long-term durability, but they performed better than expected during our trials. For the price, these would be a good inexpensive bulk purchase option for volunteer groups. The patented gear technology provides you with 3 times more power with each cut, and the blades can cut through branches up. You'll appreciate the addition of the innovative cam mechanism, which optimizes the cutting power and performance of this pruner while making it easier to cut through the middle of the branch, the section which tends to be the thickest. Number 2, Gonicc 8 Professional Premium Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. I've got friends who work in the winemaking industry, and one thing you learn when maintaining a vineyard is that you need something that will go straight through tough grapevines with ease. This pair of professional steel Anvil pruners has an exceptionally deep channel in the anvil base. This provides support for the stem on either side as the carbon steel blade shears through branches or vines. You can opt to use bypass shears for trimming as well, and those leave a slightly cleaner cut. But when you're going to be cutting hundreds upon hundreds of vines back, you'll probably want the simplicity of this set of shears. Just remember to clean the channel out regularly to remove any sap buildup. These are a strong and very functional model which are capable of doing their job well. Their non-stick handles have just enough padding to reduce blister formation and provide a comfort grip for your hands. On the lower jaw, a sap groove enables gooey material to come free of the blade and reduce sticky situations. Whether you're trimming branches or tidying up your shrubbery, you'll find these to be a great pair of shears for an excellent price. The Gonicc Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears. The handles are made from high-quality aluminum but are wrapped in a thick cushioned layer of PVC foam. One 5-star reviewer says, "These garden shears are well made, sharp and easy on the hands. I love the soft covered handles. It makes them super comfortable and easy to grip." Wrapped in a thick cushioned layer of PVC foam. One 5-star reviewer says, "These garden shears are well made, sharp and easy on the hands. I love the soft covered handles. It makes them super comfortable and easy to grip." Number 3, Falco F2068780 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. The Falco bypass pruning shears but ergonomically designed for smaller hands? Sign me up. As I said above, Falco makes the best bypass pruner on the market. How could I not recommend a Falco bypass pruner for people whose hands are smaller than average? Solid steel construction, easy to sharpen and to clean, and with a limited lifetime warranty, these are seriously the best pruning shears you could invest in. They cost more than you will spend for other styles, but you get a high-quality bypass pruning tool for your money. The replaceable blade is hardened steel. A red rubberized grip provides a bit of cushion and helps prevent losing the pruners in the garden. Other notable features include a sap groove along the blade to keep debris from building up, a thumb-controlled locking mechanism, a replaceable spring, and an adjustment tool. Best of all, the tool is designed to be easily disassembled for cleaning and repairs, like replacing the blade or spring. We like everything about the Falco 2 pruner. The handle shape is well-sized and comfortable, and the spring has just enough resistance for easy pushback without causing hand fatigue. It is a fairly lightweight tool, but very strong and capable of cutting branches nearly 1 inch thick. In our tests, the Falco 2 and left-handed Falco 9 pruners had the best overall performance in terms of comfort, strength, durability, and ease of use. It's no wonder these are the pruners of choice for professional landscapers, nursery workers, and gardeners. Number 4, Fiskars 79,436,997J Softgrip Bypass Pruner, Black Orange Small. The Fiskars Softgrip Hand Pruner. The sleek black and orange pruners cut up to 5/8-inch branches, perfect for small shrubs and other light yard maintenance like pruning roses. The blades aren't as thick as more heavy-duty pruners, but they have a low friction coating that helps them glide and prevents rust. Fiskars is a popular brand with reliably high reviewer ratings, but if these pruners ever break, they're covered with a full lifetime warranty. The blade has been coated in an ultra-blade coating, which is designed to actually make the shears perform better than traditional stainless steel blades. This coating is designed to keep the blade sharp for up to 5 times longer than a non-coated blade. Also, having this extra sharp blade means that less pressure will be required to cut through thicker limbs, which means less overall fatigue will be experienced while you are gardening. It's also resistant to corrosion, so you can be sure that your tool will be ready to use. The Softgrip dual-layer comfort handle grips are designed to give you an additional layer of comfort even if you are attempting to cut through a diameter of 5/8 of an inch, which is the maximum limb width that this tool can handle. Also, this tool features an ambidextrous locking mechanism that is easy to use. Number 5 Ratchet Pruning Shears Gardening Tool Anvil Pruner Garden Shears. The gardener's friend pruning shears are designed specifically for gardeners who suffer from arthritis or carpal tunnel syndrome. The secret to these easy-to-use pruners is in the ratchet mechanism, which uses leverage to make cuts that are gentle on your hands. Open the pruners wide to make a large cut and then squeeze the handles, release and squeeze again to continue cutting through the branch. It usually takes about 3 squeezes to get through a large branch, up to 3/4 inch, with much less hand pressure than traditional pruner cutting action. These pruners are one of our favorite adaptive gardening tools. The wood is like a pair of scissors, this style is more like using a knife. This kind of chopping often crushes the limbs that you are cutting, instead of producing a clean cut. The final type of pruning shear that we will look at is a ratchet pruner. This type has a mechanism that allows you to cut in sections. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.